In this video, we will learn how to get a Shopify free trial for as long as possible. First, navigate the Shopify site on your browser. Then, you will see a banner at the top of the page promoting a 30-day free trial and an extended $1 per month for 90 days. Either click the Sign Up Now button or enter your email address and hit Start for Free. Enter the required information to launch your Shopify store, such as where you plan to sell your store, your name, your location, and other relevant details. If you are not ready to provide that information, you can skip this step for now. You can also choose to sign up later. You'll be prompted to choose a plan during this setup process. If you do not choose a plan immediately, your plan will be set to the default plan. From your store dashboard, you can click the Pick Any Plan button at the bottom of the page. Now ensure that you're selecting the basic Shopify plan under the monthly subscription option. Next, confirm that $1 per month for 3 months offer is applied on the billing page. Then, confirm your subscription, your business address, and your payment method. Once everything is ready and you have confirmed all of your information, click Start Plan to activate the offer. As you set up your store, it is a great idea to optimize your product, your page, and even search engine to help customers discover your Shopify store. Shopify also provides built-in tools and apps like SEO Pro that make it very easy to appear at the top of Google search. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.